Hi, my name is Matt from Prioto, and today I want to talk to you about what Prioto is. So the contents for today is an introduction to Prioto. I'm going to give you some examples of how Prioto can benefit your sector. I'm going to explain how Prioto is actually delivered into projects. I'd like to summarize, and then I'll give you some time for some questions and answers. So firstly, what is Prioto? Prioto is a commercial building management solution, providing simple, cost-effective facility management technology. So we believe that a building should improve the user's experience without adding any complexity, and a Prioto system ensures the building is being used as efficiently as possible, reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money. Prioto is split into two different areas. So firstly, there's the hardware element, and secondly, the software element. So for the hardware, what this is essentially the hardware which is installed into the facility to give customers, staff, end users the experience of controlling the building in a simple and intuitive way. On top of this, there's the software element, which is how the building is logging all the data that's happening inside of it, and also the option to have an app or a user interface to control certain aspects of the building. Prioto looks to do four things. So firstly, what it looks to do is improve the control of the building. So it's to simplify the control elements to make sure that it's intuitive for all users. Secondly, what we look to do is automate where we can. So simple and effective automation can take care of some of the tasks throughout the building. From there, we can monitor everything that's happening as well. So what the Prioto system looks to do is to monitor all the various aspects of data coming back from a facility to give facilities management a very clear overview on how the building is being used. This can then be used to alert if there's anything untoward spotted. So for example, if there's a leak or a very low temperature noticed in one of the buildings, we can alert facilities management to this. Prioto is designed to offer something in many different sectors, including retail, the emergency services, multi-site businesses, assisted living facilities, sports facilities, and the hospitality sector. I'd like to talk you through some of the essential features that Prioto can offer in the hospitality sector. Prioto can enhance many different hospitality sector facilities, from hotel facilities, cafes, restaurants, and many others. A quick example, with floor space being at such a premium, Prioto heaters can actually reduce the need for bulky heaters that are taking up a lot of floor space. So first and foremost, just reducing the amount of space needed for the facilities can improve how your hospitality sector facility is actually minimizing the impact on floor space. Also, what Prioto will deliver is improved comfort for visitors, so making sure that the building is exactly the right temperature for visitors, so they're comfortable and more likely to spend longer and from there spend more money. So some examples of how Prioto can enhance the hospitality sector facilities: automatic lighting. So automatic lighting can subtly vary the lighting in restaurants by slowly fading between light scenes throughout the afternoon and evening service. So this increased kind of comfort and this increased ambience can make it much more comfortable for people visiting that restaurant. Another really nice feature Prioto delivers is a single shutdown procedure button. So at the end of a shift, last person out can just press a single button, which makes sure all the lights are turned off, heating set back, and provide alerts on any doors or anything that may have been left open. 50% is how much energy can be spent in a hospitality environment on refrigeration. It's a pretty big number. What Prioto looks to do is just make sure that that energy isn't being wasted. So if you do have refrigeration services on site, Prioto can make sure that that energy is being spent optimally to minimize the waste there. An essential part of providing comfortable facilities for your customers is making sure the climate and the air quality is good. So temperature and humidity sensors can be used to monitor air quality. Prioto can then control various elements of the building to ensure comfort is always delivered to your customers. With a large number of people in your facility, air quality can suffer, and without proper extraction or circulation, it can become quite uncomfortable. So Prioto will make sure that it's monitoring air quality, and then it'll automatically make sure that it's controlling things like extraction or air conditioning to make sure that the space stays comfortable. Outside heating can also be delivered by Prioto using infrared heating panels. And again, these can be linked to motion to make sure that outside heating isn't being left on for long periods of time, wasting energy and, of course, wasting your business money. Prioto also offers essential facility monitoring. So this can monitor for leaks in the building 24 hours a day. So things like mission critical errors that might arise, such as a leak or a power cut. Prioto can sense those, and with all this data being provided back to the central control system or the facilities manager, your Prioto system can actually provide preemptive alerts based on how long devices have been running to make sure that you don't experience these and cause issues for your business. And so to summarize, Prioto enhances the staff interaction with the building and simplifies how staff use the building. Prioto will enhance the comfort for your customers and enhance how your facilities management is managed by your facilities team. Prioto will reduce energy waste, Prioto reduces your carbon footprint, and Prioto will save you money. I would now like to explain to you how Prioto is actually delivered. So for successful project delivery, we will work with you through the 4 key stages of the project. Firstly, consultation. The Prioto team will work with the facilities managers to understand your requirements and provide expert advice on how to maximize the benefits of Prioto. Next, we'll go away and design a system. So we will create a feature specification to explain how the system is going to work and design all the relevant hardware and software parts for this as well. The next stage is going to be the installation. So Prioto have a wide network of skilled installers who will carry out the physical installation of all the required hardware. Any software and IT setup will also be delivered by the Prioto team. From here, we can offer ongoing maintenance. So this is to maintain any of the physical hardware that's installed in the facility and obviously offer technical support as well to facilities management and users. So to summarize, the Prioto system will reduce your energy wastage, reduce your carbon footprint, and save you money. I would like to open up the floor for any questions that you may have on what we've discussed today. Anyway, thank you for listening. If you have any more questions, please let me know.